Here I have Nokia G21, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping here, then enable watermark, go to its section, and here for example you can add your custom message, like you can add your name or tag or anything you want. Like I'm gonna add something like this. You can also change your personal information style, like you have this font, this one. I personally like this one the most, maybe this one too. So yeah, you can also add personalized image, for example something like that. And as you can see, now I have this image as my watermark, and now every photo I take will be marked with Death of Merit, just like this. Nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.